So we have the voltage divider AI circuit, which was designed by ChatGPT, as you can see. This is the circuit. Unfortunately, ChatGPT couldn't produce a well schematic, and it just gave me this text schematic. And here's the rest of the information. And this is the actual circuit of what ChatGPT gave me. And right now, the power is on. And as you can see, the LED's brightness barely decreases. There's no significant change. So in both light and dark conditions, the LED remains on. This shows that this circuit doesn't work. And the circuit and the components that are used in this AI circuit are a 330 ohm resistor, LDR, and a 10K resistor. And of course the NPN resistor, which is the same kind of resistor, 2N3904. And we're using 12 volts as suggested in the AI. Actually says 9 volts. Let's change it, but surely there will be no change. So we have it at 9 volts. There's a bit of a change, but not as significant. In both light and dark conditions, the LED remains on, which still shows that the circuit doesn't work.